the best way to improve your English is to shadow someone who is speaking in English. That means first you listen and then repeat whatever the speaker is saying. Hi, my name is Vineeta, and in today's video I have an interesting activity for you to practice shadowing. That activity is connection game. In that, first I will give you one sentence, and from that sentence you have to pick one word to make another sentence. You can keep doing the same as much as you feel comfortable. You will see some examples to understand better. This activity will help you to improve your fluency and to make proper sentences. So let's get started. Activity 1. First sentence. I watched a video on YouTube. I watched a video on YouTube. From this sentence, I will pick the word YouTube to make new sentence. YouTube has so many useful tutorials. YouTube has so many useful tutorials. From this sentence, I will pick the word useful tutorials. Useful tutorials make learning easier. Useful tutorials make learning easier. From this sentence, I will pick the words learning easier. That will be easy learning helps to save time. Easy learning helps to save time. From this sentence, I am picking the word time. Time is the most valuable resource. Time is the most valuable resource. You can see all these sentences are quite relatable. You can learn all these sentences and use them. And what you can do, either you can repeat after me or you can speak with me while watching the screen. Now I will compile these sentences and make a full paragraph. That would be, I watched a video on YouTube. YouTube has so many useful tutorials. Useful tutorials make learning easier. Easy learning helps to save time. Time is the most valuable resource. So that was activity 1. You can repeat that or you can make new sentences by yourself by picking any other word. Now next activity, sentence 1. I practiced speaking English today. I practiced speaking English today. From this sentence, I will pick the word practice. Practice makes everything better. Practice makes everything better. From this sentence, I would pick the word better. Better skills open door to new opportunities. Better skills open door to new opportunities. From this, we can pick the word new opportunities. New opportunities bring excitement to life. New opportunities bring excitement to life. From this sentence, I want to pick the word excitement. Excitement always makes life interesting. Excitement always makes life interesting. Now again, I will compile all these sentences to make a paragraph. That would be, I practiced speaking English today. Practice makes everything better. Better skills open doors to new opportunities. New opportunities bring excitement to life. Excitement always makes life interesting. So you can repeat that or you can again make your own story using these sentences. Now activity 3, first sentence. I learned a new word today. I learned a new word today. From this, I am picking the word word. Words help us express ourselves. Words help us express ourselves. Next sentence would be, expression builds understanding. Expressions build understanding. From this sentence, I am picking the word understanding. Understanding brings people closer. Understanding brings people closer. Closer relationships make us happy. Closer relationships make us happy. Now again, I will compile this to make a paragraph. That would be, I learned a new word today. Words help us to express ourselves. Expression builds understanding. Understanding brings people closer. Closer relationships make us happy. So you can again make another story or another paragraph by picking different words, or you can learn from this. Now activity 4, first sentence. I posted a picture on Instagram. I posted a picture on Instagram. Instagram is full of creative content. Instagram is full of creative content. Creative content inspires many other people. Creative content inspires many other people. Inspiration can help change many lives. Inspiration can help change many lives. Life is all about sharing moments. Life is all about sharing moments. So if I compile these sentences, the story would be: I posted a picture on Instagram. Instagram is full of creative content. Creative content inspires many other people. Inspiration can help change many lives. Life is all about sharing moments. So you can see I have highlighted the word which are being repeated in next sentence. Now next activity, first sentence: I got many likes on my post. I got many likes on my post. Likes may make people feel appreciated. Likes make people feel appreciated. From this sentence I am picking the word feel appreciated. Feeling appreciated can boost confidence. Feeling appreciated can boost confidence. From here I am picking the word confidence. Confidence is the key to success. Confidence is the key to success. From here the word success. Success motivates us to work harder. Success motivates us to work harder. Again, if I compile all these sentences, the paragraph would be: I got many likes on my post. Likes make people feel appreciated. Feeling appreciated can boost confidence. Confidence is the key to success. Success motivates us to work harder. Now next activity, first sentence: I watched Virat Kohli's match yesterday. I watched Virat Kohli's match yesterday. Virat Kohli is a brilliant player. Virat Kohli is a brilliant player. Brilliant players inspire young athletes. Brilliant players inspire young athletes. Inspiration motivates everyone to work hard. Inspiration motivates everyone to work hard. Hard work always leads to success. Hard work always leads to success. Now if I compile all the sentence, the story would be: I watched Virat Kohli's match yesterday. Virat Kohli is a brilliant player. Brilliant players inspire young athletes. Inspiration motivates everyone to work hard. Hard work always leads to success. You can repeat this story by yourself to practice. Now next activity, first sentence: I played cricket with my friends. I played cricket with my friends. From here I am picking the word cricket. Cricket is one of the most popular sports. Cricket is one of the most popular sports. From this I am picking the word sports. Playing sports always teaches teamwork. Playing sports always teaches teamwork. Teamwork creates strong bonds between people. Teamwork creates strong bond between people. Strong bonds make friendship last a lifetime. Strong bonds make friendship last a lifetime. Now again, if you compile these sentences, you will have the story: I played cricket with my friends. Cricket is one of the most popular sports. Playing sports always teaches teamwork. Teamwork creates strong bonds between people. Strong bonds make friendship last a lifetime. You can repeat or you can create your own story using these sentences. Now last activity, first sentence: I started jogging in the morning. I started jogging in the morning. Jogging is helpful in keeping us fit. Jogging is helpful in keeping us fit. Fitness is very important for a healthy life. Fitness is very important for a healthy life. A healthy life brings so much happiness to us. A healthy life brings so much happiness to us. Happiness is the secret of living a better life. Happiness is the secret to living a better life. Now if I compile these sentences, the story would be: I started jogging in the morning. Jogging is helpful in keeping us fit. Fitness is very important for a healthy life. A healthy life brings so much happiness to us. Happiness is a secret to living a better life. So these were 8 activities from my side. You can do the same. You can create such sentences. that are relatable to you. And I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching the video till end.